Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Elantra 2017 model, 1718 model, and this car have a problem. Exhaust camshaft position sensor B. See, this is the fault, and fault code is P0365. Okay, exhaust camshaft position sensor B. Today I will show you where is the location this exhaust camshaft position. Here you can see this is the engine room, and this sensor, see, I already removed this wire, that's why, because I want to show you location. This is exhaust camshaft position sensor B. Okay, this one is there, this is A, and this one B. Okay, thank you.